What you're looking at is our first HP TouchPad, 9.7-inch screen with Gorilla Glass, so very scratch resistant. It also comes with a front-facing webcam, so you can Skype with this device, and I'll talk a bit about that when I get into Synergy. It also comes with a micro USB port at the bottom, so you can connect it to your computer or Mac if you wanted to drag and drop files or sync your music library over. And when you're listening to music, it'll have Beats audio, so that you can get high fidelity sound out of the line-out jack as well as the speakers. And inside, it has a gyrometer and accelerometer, which is great for gaming, as well as a Snapdragon dual-core processor. And in terms of memory, we're going to launch with 16 and 32 gigs of memory space, as well as Wi-Fi. 16 gig is $519.99, and 32 gig is $619.99. So what you're looking at here is WebOS, and what really makes this tablet so different than anything else out there is the operating system. And the core difference of this operating system is just how easy it is to use. It's really designed to work the way you do. And you can see that as I move through different applications, it's very fluid and easy for me to move around. And to jump into an application is as simple as just tapping. If you want to get out of an application, you can just hit the home button to get back out. But also you can swipe up from the bottom of the screen as well. So it's really easy to move in and out of applications and see what's open and closed. Where it gets really different, though, is how we do true multitasking. So for example, I'll show you my email application here, and you can see I've got a lot of different emails to look at, and I wanted to create a new email. When I click on that button, you'll see a new card just pops up on the screen. But not only does it come up on the screen, it actually stacks on top of the original email application. So it keeps things related together. So when you click a link from a website or a link out of an email, or as you add more things from an application, it'll keep it all stacked together and organized for you. The other thing we do that's incredibly different is Synergy. With Synergy, what we do instead is we take those services and we deeply integrate them into our applications. So they become a part of your calendar, your contacts, your photos, your emails, your chat. So that when you think of chatting with somebody, you just go into your chat and you choose how you want to do that. And I'll show you, for example, here in my chat application. I have a friend here that I've been chatting with, and I can choose to chat with them by Gtalk, Yahoo Messenger, I can Skype chat them, or I can text message them using my Pre3. So I have everything in one unified view, and I don't have to think about going to different applications to engage them. I can just do that with Synergy. Another great example of that is in Facebook as well. So I think of looking at photos. I can want to look at maybe photos from PhotoBucket, Snapfish, or Facebook. I just think of going to my photo application, and in there I'll find all of my different photos. And you can see here that I have photos that are stored locally on the device, as well as my Facebook folders that are coming to me live from the net. The other great thing about this is if I go into a photo like this one, for example, this is a picture we took of some drinks this weekend, and as you can imagine, as soon as we posted it, lots of comments started flying on the post, on the picture, and you can actually see those comments come to life here in the photo gallery. The other great thing that this technology does is it allows you to connect the devices together in a really easy fashion and create some really cool pairings. So for example, when I touch these two devices together, they'll create a pairing, and if you were to receive a phone call or a text message on your smartphone, you can take that phone call or text message here on the TouchPad. You can also launch a phone call or text message from the TouchPad as well.